Good morning, students. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, students. Today, already we have finished the lesson. First lesson, that is animal kingdom. Now today let us start a new lesson, that is honey, sweet honey. Honey, sweet honey. So, all of you open your test classwork, your notebooks. Open your notebooks so that I will be giving you new words. You can take down them. If you are ready, let me start. Now, let me give the words, new words, take down. Take down new words. New words. Right heading, honey, sweet honey. New words. Directly write each word 3 times. Directly you write 3 times each word. Now first word, first one, gather, G-A-T-H-E-R-E-D, gather. First word, gather, G-A-T-H-E-R-E-D, gather. Next word, unitedly. You write each word 3 times. Each word you write 3 times each. Next word, unitedly. U-N-I-T-E-D-L-Y. Unitedly. Unitedly. Second word. Next, third one, kittens. K-I. Third one, kittens. K-I-T-T-E-N-S. Third one, kittens. Kittens. After kittens, L-I-C-K, lick. L-I-C-K, lick. Write each word 3 times directly because they are not big words, small words are there. Lick, L-I-C-K, lick. After lick, belly. Fifth one, B-E-L-L-Y, belly. Write down B-E-L-L-Y, belly. After belly, sixth word, firmly. F-I-R-M-L-Y, firmly. F-I-R-M-L-Y, firmly. After following, the next word is next one, behavior. Seventh one. Behavior. BEHAVIOUR. Behavior. Seventh word, behavior. BEHAVIOUR. I think you can see behavior. BEHAVIOUR. Behavior. After behavior, suck. SUCK, suck. SUCK, suck. Right? 8 1 SUCK, suck. I think all of you are writing that. Only 5 are there remaining here. I think not. SUCK, suck. Ninth word. Write the ninth one. Nectar. 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 Take down nectar word. All of you are writing it. Here. After nectar. Next, after nectar, beehive. 10th one, beehive. Right? Beehive. 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 After beehive. Next one. WAX, wax. Wax. Write down WAX, wax. After wax. Omkar, writing there or sitting without writing? Take down all the words in your class or in your board book. After wax, I cannot see you writing. Hollow. Why are you sitting idle now? Take down your words. Hollow. 12th one. HOLLOW. Icho, W hollow. Write in your old notebook. Next, after follow 13th one, terrace. TERRACE terrace. TERRACE terrace. TERRACE terrace. Next, 14, medicinal cortex, MEDICR, inhale medicinal qualities, QUALLITERES, medicinal qualities. 14th one. Last one, jaggery, JAGGERY. 15th one, jaggery, jaggery. This is the 15th order. Now these are the words, some words from the lesson. Honey, sweet honey. So all of you write this word 3 times each directly. After writing there, take your time and write. You are not writing there. I can see you are not writing. Sit properly and write. First one, let me tell how to spell the words, how to pronounce the word, and also the meanings of some words. First one is gathered, GATHERED, gathered. See, let me show you how the ants gather here. Gather means, say, as you all gather during the assembly period, during assembly time, during prayer time in the school, you all gather and stand in the line. So, the same way, you can see how the ants have been gathered here. You can see how the ants, these are ants, how they have gathered here. Understood? This is nothing but gather. Means, see, they have how they are, means they are standing understood? So this is the meaning of gather. Gather means uniting. Understood? Uniting each other. Now next, unitedly. Gather unitedly. This is, we call it as gather. Unitedly means all together. United, gathered, unitedly means all together they are been gathered here. Understood? That is unitedly means all together. Unitedly all together they have been gathered. As you all stand during the prayer time, you all gather now. So for prayer, the same way these ants also have been gathered in one of the place. Now next, kittens. Kittens means, let me show you. So you can see the cat here. You can see the cat, and you also you can see the young ones of the cat. They are called as kittens. Young ones of the cat are called kittens. ಬೆಕ್ಕಿನ ಮರಿ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಕ್ಕಿನ ಮರಿ. ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಐತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಮರಿಗಳು. ಅವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಿಟನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಕಿಟನ್ಸ್, KITTENS, ಕಿಟನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕಿಟನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಯಂಗ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ದ ಮರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಂಗ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಂಗ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಿಟನ್ಸ್. KITTENS, ಕಿಟನ್ಸ್. Now next word, lick. LICK, lick. Lick means you can see how the cat is licking its young ones. Understood? Cat is licking the body of its young ones. You can see the mother cat licking the body of its young ones. So LICK, lick. Understood? With its tongue, this mother cat is licking the body of young ones. Understood? So that is lick. LICK, lick. Next one, belly. Belly means stomach. Belly means stomach. BELLY, belly means stomach. And let me show you how do this monkey hold the belly of its mother. So you can see here how the young ones of a monkey, it is holding the belly of its mother. You can see on the tree here. On the tree, now it is clear. You can see the tree is there, and mother monkey is sitting on the tree, and the young ones also. You can see how the young ones of the monkey, baby monkey, it is holding the belly of its mother. You can see baby of mother is holding baby of monkey. It is holding the belly of its mother. You know, can you see here? So this is how this young ones of the monkey, it is holding the belly of its mother. Understood? It is called stomach. Belly means stomach. Now next, firmly. Firm means very tightly. Understood? Firmly means tight. Next, behavior. 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 Behavior means swabhava. English correct is called swabhava. As you are having, all of you have different behavior. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಇದ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ವಭಾವದವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಥರ all animals to have different behavior. They behave different manner. Understood? All animals have got different behavior. The next, after behavior, suck. SUCK, suck. SUCK, suck means so let me show you you can see you can see here flower, and how this is the butterfly. It has sat on the flower, and it is sucking the nectar. ಹೂವಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಿಂತ ಇದ್ದ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ, ಅದು ಹೂವಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಂತು ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಅದ್ರ ಹೂವಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅದು ಹೀರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಕ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. SUCK, ಸಕ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೌತ್. Understood? So you can see the picture of the butterfly sucking the nectar of the flower. It is suck. SUCK, suck. Now next, nectar. NECTAR. Nectar means inside this flower there will be nectar will be there. Inside this flower nectar will be present. That nectar will be taken by the honeybees. Understood? Honeybee, they collect the nectar from the flower. Understood? Then they prepare the honey. Understood? In a bee. in the hive, they collect the, all the hive, these butterflies, they collect the, they suck the nectar from the flowers and they take it to the beehive and they gather there. They take this nectar from the flowers and they take it and they collect it, that nectar in the beehive and they prepare the honeybee. Understood? Now, after nectar, beehive. Beehive means a Jenuguru. Let me show you the picture here. You can see the tree, and on the tree branches you can see the how the beehives are hanging. See, you can see the beehive tree is there, and you can see the how the beehives are been hanging here. These are the beehives and made by this honeybee. This is called beehive. Jenuguru, what we call, that is beehive. Next, wax. WAX, wax. Wax means Veda. Veda. This candle we are making. Candle. You have seen candle in your home. Have you seen candle? Candle you have seen that one. Like that only. This wax, it is made by the honeybee, and that is called wax means Veda, what we call. Understood? Now, next, hollow. HOWLOW, hollow. HOWLOW, hollow means hole. Hollow means hole. Let me show you how the hollow of the trees. Hollow means the hole of the trees. Let me show the diagram here. This is the tree here, and if there is the stem part there will be hole. This part it is called hollow. It showed a little hollow. Understood? This, if this is a tree, and some birds they make the, or some beehives they make the, what they make this beehive here. Understood? Even some birds they make the hole here in the stem part and they live there. That is called, cannot see on the, actually it is by the side. You cannot see, I am sure here. Let me show you the middle here. So here, I think you can see by the side. A hollow, I told you that a hollow means like this. This is the tree. There will be hole will be there in between. This hole it is called hollow. Understood? HOWLOW, hollow. Understood? So this part is called the hollow. Understood? Or the hole. Understood? So let me run that one. Now next, coming to terrace. TERRACE, terrace. Terrace means see, in your home there will be terrace will be there, or upper part of the house. Upper part of the house is called terrace. Understood? Upper part of the house is called terrace. Understood? ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮನಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ terrace ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. TERRACE terrace. Understood? Upper part of the house. ಮನೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Understood? Next, after terrace, medicinal qualities. Medicinal qualities means say honey. In the honey means jenu, and you must regularly take a honey. Understood? Some quantity of honey you must take every day, so that it contain medicinal qualities. Honey contain medicinal quality. It is having the medicinal quality means it is good for your health. Understood? It is just like like medicine. Like medicinal quality is good for health. Understood? So we must take honey. This honey regularly. Understood? Honey means jenu water. That's some quantity you must every day you must take. It is good for our health. Next, last one, jaggery. JAGGERY. Jaggery means bella water. Understood? So with the help of jaggery also, some people prepare using this jaggery and water. Some people prepare honey. ಕೆಲವು ಜನಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಬೆಲ್ಲದಿಂದ ಜೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಾಗರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ನೀರು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪದ ಗತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪ ಇರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಗರಿ ಮಾಡು ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಇರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು ಹನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್. ಇದು ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಹನಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಯಾವತ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಗರಿ. ಬೆಲ್ಲದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಜಾಗರಿ, ಇದು ಹನಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ತೊಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ new words from the lesson, honey sweet honey. So I told you to write each word 3 times each. So if you not written, write each word 3 times each, so that you practice the each word. So that you can we come to know how the words are. So you can, if you are not taken down, you can write down each word 3 times each. Now already time is up. So last 2-3 minutes are left. You can take words in your classroom. Something have you completed? Have you written? Now time is up. So thank you for attending the class.